Marcy. Marcy, taking it?
You green?
Yeah.
Okay. Matt!
Stop! Stop! They're dead! I'm green!
That man!
Stop shooting!
So I don't mean to take that accomplishment away from you. It's just...
Oh, you're throwing out
Oh, yeah.
Got him. Got him. See, there it is. He ducked down.
About my 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, hit!
Man, you're good! I want that sniper to come see me.
Yeah, that's the same guy Danny's with.
It sounded like the same gun.
Unbelievable.
Fuck, I can't get him. Green.
Oh!
Ah!
Go respawn.
I was gonna mercy you. He's like one down there, one low, one low.
There's another guy right at your 11 o'clock, in between the two trees there.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's the guy that I was shooting at.
Okay.
Popping off. Ah. Got him, got him.
You got him?
Yeah, I got the guy between the trees.
Nice.